Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I am going to tell you two new codes, I meant to say, in Beastorm Simulator. And there is some new leaks kind of hidden inside Beastorm Simulator. And yes guys, I finally have a microphone. I'm sorry that I had to text all the time. So, let's get in. So, the first code is banned. Just banned because everyone was banned for some reason. Rename that. Prove. This is, I think, and this is the second code. It gives you a gear, and I'll explain this a bit later. So here is the first leak. If I were to turn on shift lock right now, shift lock right here. I don't know how people do this, but there is a way to see what's inside here. And there is 3 microconverters right here, as you can see. The little token right here. And here. There. Bruh, stupid scammer. This is scammer. Scammer. And also, some other riddles. Go to Mother Bear. Let me know in the comments if you can figure this out right here. Maybe post it in the comments. I'll give you a shout out. Maybe free pet in BGS, I don't know. And if I reach 70 subscribers, I'm doing a secret pet giveaway. So, and then if you come to the red shop, right here, the smiley face always means like some sort of leak. Right here. Sa lewyswi sa daul romf needs at mokabab. I don't know. This costs a lot. 100 million honey. What the hell? I do have the bubble mask. So, and then if you were to go, here, let's go to the end. The smiley face is right here. Tutorial. Smiley face. That's it. And look at, also, you can enter promo codes in the gear system menu. Tutorial. These educational games make learning fun. Hop into them and it's begun. There. I think those are the leaks, but there is one last leak. Here, this is what the gears are for. Strange goggles. What the hell is wrong with my grammar? I suppose that if you put them on, you can go inside that little area right there, the 3-button area, right here. And hold on, I think there's something also with Wind Shrine, and there's something to do with the Mythic Meteor Shower. I don't know what's up with that. So here. I think you need to donate 7 jelly beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here, into a cash register. She moved. Then her jelly bean counting improved. Aw. Giving me jelly beans. 7 jelly beans from Smiley Face. See? So I don't know what the hell. I think so the update's gonna be in like a couple hours, I don't know. But there's some little hints. If you want to get a micro converters, 3 of them, come here. Behind Black Bear. Little Black Bear. And I'm pretty sure that's all. If I'm missing some stuff, just let me know in the comments. Alright? And I will see you later. Please like and subscribe. Bye.